Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer photos with Snapfish, complete guide step by step clearly. To start transferring photos with Snapfish, first, ensure you have a Snapfish account. If you don't have one, visit the Snapfish website to create your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Upload section on the home page. Click on the Upload Photos button to begin the process. You will be prompted to choose the source of your photos. Select the device you want to upload photos from, such as your computer or mobile device. If uploading from a computer, browse through your files and select the photos you wish to transfer. For mobile uploads, you may need to give Snapfish permission to access your photos. After selecting the photos, confirm your choices and start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. This may take a few moments depending on the number of photos. Once uploaded, you can view your photos in the Snapfish photo library. To organize your photos, consider creating albums for easier access. Simply click on the Create Album option and follow the prompts to name your album. Drag and drop your uploaded photos into the new album as desired. If you wish to edit any photos, select the photo and click the Edit button. Make your edits and click Save to update the photo in your library. Once your photos are organized and edited, you can create projects or prints from them. Choose the project option that suits your needs, such as photo books or cards. Select the photos for your project and follow the on-screen prompts to customize it. After finalizing your project, proceed to the checkout for printing or delivery options. Review your order details before completing the purchase for accuracy. Finally, enjoy your printed memories from Snapfish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.